Hey guys, how you doing? This is the pretty coolest thing here. My friend Jimmy found a 1966 T-Bird. It's been off the road since 1995. Wilmington white with black interior. This is an amazing find. It's been in this barn for 30 plus years, just sitting here, which is amazing. Come check it out. It's got black interior. It's like brand new one owner car, vinyl top, time capsuled in here. Wow. Pretty awesome. Original hubcaps are on it too. Come over here, check this out. We're gonna pull it out. It looks like it has a 390 in it, I believe. Car brake is under it. But, pretty awesome car. You know, from 1995. You know the mileage on it, Jim? Yeah, not sure the mileage, but has AC, power brakes, but it's a pretty awesome car. We're getting ready to pull this thing out, so he's going to be loading up on the trailer. It's like solid. Got skirts on it, full original paint. Pretty awesome. Check it out, guys. Wow, what a find. Wilmington white, but all original, unrestored car. Pretty awesome. All right, guys, so follow me on YouTube, finding classic cars all over Long Island, New York. 66 T-Bird, one owner car, been in the garage for 35 years. Have a great day.